Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add open media library to editing websites and WordPress. So for you to add open media library to your website on WordPress, here's you can get it done. Firstly, click on this plus icon. Okay, before I did that, I'm actually trying to create a mobile website. So I'm just gonna switch this to mobile. It depends if you want this to be on desktop, tablet, it's fine. Just consider the view. So right now I'm just gonna change it to mobile. You can see then this is my front page. Also I'll add landing page and the other page, but this is the front page right now. I'm trying to design the front page. So I'm just gonna click on this plus icon, then I'll click on the media. Okay, right here I can use some pixel free photos from WordPress. Actually depends on me. If it goes along with kind of stuff I want to create, I can pick any of these. I can pick any of them. I can also use unbiased media. If it also has something that I want, you can see these are the unbiased media. But since it's not something I want my brand logo to appear here, and then I'm gonna change the background color. So I'm just going to click on the open media library. Then I'll select file. Yeah, it should take me back to my local storage. Then I'm gonna click on local disk. They have to. Okay, what I want to do somewhere around here. Then this is here. Then I'm just going to open it. Then I'm going to. Okay, good. I can also add something the alt text, the caption, and some other stuff, the description for this. Then I'll just simply upload it. Then I can move it to the top of the page. I can use this arrow down and arrow up here to move it to any angle of my choice. I want to move it up, or I want to move it down. So I'm just going to move it up. You see that if I want to move it down, I can, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.